Emergency repairs, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and useful phrase, emergency repairs. Whether you're reading a sign, hearing it in a news report, or coming across it in everyday conversation, this phrase is quite common. Let's break it down and understand what it truly means. Emergency repairs is a compound noun consisting of two parts, emergency and repairs. Let's look at each word separately. Emergency refers to a serious, unexpected, and often dangerous situation that requires immediate action. Repairs, on the other hand, means fixing something that is broken or damaged. When combined, emergency repairs implies fixing something that has broken in a sudden and urgent situation. You might encounter the phrase, emergency repairs, in various contexts. 1. Road signs, indicating urgent repair work on roads or highways. 2. Public announcements, in airports, train stations, or public service announcements, indicating immediate maintenance work. 3. News reports, discussing urgent fixes needed due to natural disasters, accidents, or other unforeseen events. 4. Everyday conversation, when someone talks about urgent repair work in their home, office, or any other place. To help you better understand, here are some example sentences. The bridge is closed for emergency repairs due to the earthquake. We have no electricity. The company is conducting emergency repairs on the power lines. The plumber came for emergency repairs because our pipes burst. Understanding the phrase, emergency repairs, is crucial for safety and awareness. It alerts you to immediate action, something urgent needs fixing, potential delays or disruptions in transportation, services, or daily activities. Safety precautions. Urgent repair scenarios often require caution and adherence to safety guidelines. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, emergency repairs. It's a phrase that you might not use every day, but knowing it can be crucial in certain situations, especially those involving safety and urgency. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content.